andito na tayo sa Doha, Qatar. Ito yung airport ng Doha. Sobrang ganda at malaki. Malinis, ganda, malaki. At very para siyang updated yung mga gamit nila dito at saka yung seat. Ayan. Guys, andito na tayo sa Doha, Qatar, and then we're going to our flight, another flight na naman tayo, transfer tayo. The view. Ayan, ganda yung airport na Doha. Ayan ang shuttle. Para siyang metro. Yung paganda ng shuttle bus. Gaano kaganda yung mga ano nila dito, shop nila. Super nice. Super beautiful. Super nice siya. Beautiful. Yes. Sa duty free nila dito. Super nice. Itong Gucci. Yes. Ito yung famous teddy bear. Nandito na tayo sa famous teddy bear nila dito. Ito po yung famous teddy bear nila. Ayan. Dito tayo sa gitna. Ayun natin dito sa gitna. Famous teddy bear nila. Guys, nakapagpa-picture na tayo sa famous teddy bear nila dito sa Doha, dito sa airport ng Doha. Then, discover natin ang inside ng airport. Ayan. Ito magandang view dito. Ito yung famous teddy bear nila. Pero hindi yan siya teddy bear, parang semento ata. Ayan. Ito yung Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton shop. Ganda sa loob. Very expensive bags. So doon tayo sa mga cars. May mga cars dito. Maganda din siya. Ayan. Ito yung nito, yung shop ng mga goods din dito. Tingnan niyo guys yung gold. Sobrang laki. Ang dami mga magagandang gold. Ayan, favorite ko una. Ganyan, may gold lahat dito. Sports car. Ang ganda ng car. Ayun. Super nice yung car, yung white. Ang gusto ko. Yung white lang sa akin. Okay lang. Ayan. Meron dito playground para sa mga bata. Ito playground sa mga bata na naglalaro ng bata doon. Yun, may mga bata doon sa loob. Ayan guys. Ang ganda ng ano nila ha, ng airport nila. Guys, alam na natin yung ano natin, yung gate natin is C43. Hanapin natin. Dito tayo sa C2 para sa customer service. I-change natin yung seat natin. Mag-upgrade tayo. Gusto kong mag-sit sa window side. Ayan. Guys, gaano kaganda yung ano nila dito. Yung design ng ano nila. And then dito yung ano, yung parang metro para papunta na sa malayong gate. Lakad lang tayo sa C43 tayo. Ayan, nakita natin yung metro papunta dito. Cordon Evergreen Organic. Cute siya. Dito na tayo, dito sa center. Wow, may bagong car. Maganda siya. At ito yung statue na gusto ko din. Ayan, maganda din yung statue na yan. So ngayon, hanapin na natin yung gate natin, C43, taas ata. So ito, itong bubbles na ito, picturean natin. Natin C42, taas tayo, pupunta tayo sa taas. Ayan, we're going down. Ayan. Oh guys, ano to? Old collection. So dito tayo, yung gate natin is C43. Yan, going to Geneva. Walang katao-tao ngayon. Kasi yung flight natin is 8:55. Dating natin sa Geneva ng 2 afternoon. Okay, wait, tignan natin sa screen. 7:55, 7:55. 7:55. Wala pang gate natin. Walang Geneva. So guys, maybe that's the airplane that we're going to ride because it is in the C43. Until na wala pa. Wala pang Geneva. So mamaya pa 1 hour before the flight, meron na yan. So guys, we are here in our gate. We are just waiting for boarding. It's not yet time for boarding. There's not a lot of people here. So guys, nakita na natin ang ano natin yan, C43 Geneva, going to Geneva. Yan, dyan tayo. Mag-wait tayo na sa gate natin, C43. So salamat. Punta na tayo sa gate natin. Guys, tama tayo. Dito tayo sa C43. Nakita na natin ang gate number natin. So, dito tayo maghihintay. At yung aeroplano sa labas is atin yun going to Geneva. See you later. This is the first class. First class. Ganito yung first class guys.
For customers who have just joined us, welcome on board Qatar Airways.
Guys, dito tayo 40K. This is our last flight going to Geneva. This is the airport of Doha, Qatar. Last flight na natin, then go back to Geneva.
All customers have now boarded this aircraft bound for Geneva ground staff. It is now time to disembark the aircraft.
My name is Tommaso, and on behalf of Qatar Airways and the crew, I would like to welcome you on board of the Airbus A350-900 QR099 to Geneva. Beside me here in the flight deck is Captain Alec, and looking after your safety and comfort in the cabin today is our cabin service director Kuda and cabin service Maribel, and the rest of our award-winning team. Our flight time today will be 6 hours, and we'll be cruising at an altitude of 41,000 feet. We're expecting general good weather en route, however we might experience some light turbulence after and during the departure. So for your safety, please keep your seatbelts fastened at all times, even when the seatbelt sign are switched off. Before we begin our descent into Geneva, we'll update you with the latest weather and arrival information. Until then, please make yourself comfortable and enjoy our award-winning service. I wish you a very pleasant journey on Qatar Airways flight. Thank you.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to our Privilege Club and One World frequent flyer members. We would also like to extend our welcome to customers of our codeshare partner Iberia, Malaysia Airlines, Rewans Air, Sri Lankan Airlines, and Virgin Australia. As we prepare to depart for Geneva, please ensure that your hand luggage has been placed.
Don't do it!
Ladies and gentlemen, in the event of loss of cabin pressure, kindly ensure that you remove the face covering if you are wearing one prior to putting on the drop-down oxygen mask. Thank you.
guys, andito na tayo sa Switzerland. 24 minutes na lang. Lalanding na tayo. Yan ang Alps Mountain. Dami pang snow. Travel natin ito, tapos last day. Yan. Nag-Switzerland tayo. Switzerland.
Crew, prepare for landing.
kagandahang Switzerland. May umiyak ng baby. So guys, dito na tayo sa Switzerland. Landing na tayo. Ang ganda ng guys, super. Dito na tayo. Welcome to Geneva.
Welcome to Geneva. The local time here is 2:15 p.m. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has completely stopped and the seatbelt sign is switched off.
Tapos na guys, nandito na tayo.
Please take care when opening overhead storage compartments and ensure that you have all your personal belongings and travel documents with you as you disembark the airplanes together.
Welcome to Geneva. So guys, kalalapag lang natin dito sa Geneva. So guys, kunin na natin yung bag natin sa taas. Baba na tayo. Dito na tayo sa Geneva, Switzerland. So, back to reality. Back to work na naman after magpahinga. Yung seat ng mga first class, ganito. Ganyan yung first class. Ayan siya. Sa airport ng Geneva, guys. Ayan, tignan natin muna yung sa labas. Ayan. Dito na tayo. Kunin natin baggage natin. Ayan, si Ate Sefina kasama ko. Nasa flight. Ayan yung sinakyan namin. Ayan siya. Okay, kasama ko kanina sa flight. Kasama kami dito sa Geneva, papunta dito. And then, nagbakasyon din siya sa Manila, sa Philippines. Magandang weather ngayon. So guys, circuit tayo. Ang weather ngayon is maganda, hindi mainit at hindi malamig. Yun, doon na tayo sa ano na tayo guys, sa immigration checking, border checking. Dito na tayo sa baggage area. Nakuha na natin ang baggage natin. So, pauwi na tayo. Bye-bye, te! See you next time! See you next